The GMC Sierra Denali EV debuted way back in October 2022, and according to the original press release, it had a starting MSRP of $108,695 including destination. That was for the range-topping Edition 1 trim, packing a dual-motor powertrain with 754 horsepower and a range of 400 miles. It was supposed to be on sale in early 2024, but things have changed since then, largely for the better. It starts with that price tag, which is now $99,495. A GMC spokesperson explained to us the initial six-figure price was actually just an estimate, which has now been revised downward for the final product. The destination fee is included too, meaning the Edition 1 is officially a five-figure truck. Specific reasons for the change weren't given, but it's no secret that the EV landscape has changed in the 18 months since the Sierra EV was revealed. Ford has cut pricing and production on the F-150 Lightning, and the Cybertruck is also finally in the mix, priced considerably higher than originally promised. GMC is promising more capability for the Sierra EV too. Range estimates for the Edition 1 trim are up to 440 miles, a 10% increase compared to the debut figure. It's worth noting the range is an estimate from General Motors versus EPA figures, but it's considerably better than both the F-150 Lightning and Cybertruck, and it also beats the Rivian R1T. GMC cites optimization of the GM Ultium platform as the basis for the increase. The Sierra EV Denali Edition 1 will launch with an estimated maximum towing capacity of 10,000 pounds and a cargo capacity of 1,250 libs, also beating launch estimates. Exercising the truck in that manner will certainly affect range, but GMC reminds us the Sierra EV can fast charge at up to 350 kilometers, regaining 100 miles of range in 10 minutes. The only bad news is the Sierra EV's delivery time frame. Instead of early 2024, customers will start receiving their Edition 1 trucks in the summer. The entire run is already sold out, but GMC isn't sharing exactly how many Edition 1s it's building. As for other Sierra EV trims, pricing and availability will be announced at a later date.